Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just come down to XRP. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So currently, XRP is 88% down from its all-time high, January the 7th, which I remember really, really well, 2018, 5 years ago. Wow. So, you know, that was an amazing time. I remember all of this, these big ramp-ups, consolidation, and the big mania rally, the blow-off top phase. Okay, it's just a very exciting time to be in crypto, and we didn't have it this time with XRP. Is it because it's in this big, horrible monster bear market and it is a shit coin like everyone says? Personally, I don't think that, you know. I do think that obviously if we're coming up and making a lower high and then we drop and we lose this low, it's devastating, and the charts will tell us, you know, I'll be projecting a 4-cent XRP token right there. But at the minute, we're sort of coming up, we're retracing, we're sort of holding this support right now, and you know, if the markets are healthier, if Bitcoin has bottomed and the DXY breaks down and things like that, and we see the death cross this year on the DXY, then this is the point in which it sort of went sideways after ramping up, went sideways, and then putting that big parabolic move. It was accompanied with a death cross on the DXY. Now we've not got the death cross yet on the DXY, but there is a possibility it is going to be this year with the way the charts are looking at the moment. So we want to see that. You know, if we do see that, then I think we could be in for something like this for XRP. Will it do it? I don't know. You know, it's technical analysis. But anyway, in the meantime, we're sort of going sideways. It's really boring, really choppy, and I'm just trying to find the resistance and support for you on a daily basis, and little trades that we can jump in and out and make some money in all of this noise, basically, you know, for XRP. So, you know, what I do like about XRP, the thing that it's got over its head, you know, I've always said this to you, I think it's amazing technology. I don't know if any of you have actually used it, but it is really good technology. You know, it's not just going to go like this, hey, I'm here, you know, I'm here, use me, oh, like instantly. It's going to take time to evolve this technology, emerging technology. For me, it does make sense. I don't want to go down the rabbit hole too much with you, but I think the most of you that are here watching the videos, you understand what XRP is. Okay, so anyway, aside from that, regardless of what it's got over its head with the SEC and things like that, and everyone in the space saying, you know, every comment on the video, XRP shitcoin, why are you covering it? It's still number 6 by market capitalization, isn't it? Rankings, it's still there. You know, you've got a $19 billion market cap for this. I think the trading volume is really healthy, 1.7 billion. Look at that. That's a massive trading volume, you know, for this shitcoin, and it's just there or thereabouts, isn't it? So it's like it's bubbling, something's happening, and if we get a green light from the SEC, which could come any day, okay, we have been sort of waiting for this for a very long time. If it's the only coin in the space that gets the green light, what do you think is going to happen to the price? Okay, especially, so you don't want to sort of miss that boat if and when it comes. But again, I've not got a crystal ball. But anyway, aside from when we're chatting, I do apologize. Let's dive into the charts. So looking at DXY then, all we need to see is the continual breakdown here. This resistance, it's in a downtrend right now, okay, the DXY. One thing that would be bearish and negative for XRP especially is if the DXY starts to take out these resistance points here and then you start to see closes above that yellow line again for the DXY on the weekly time frame. Currently sits at 104.932. I think if we see that close above, the likelihood of XRP putting another low in is very, very possible, okay, and I would be looking for a new low at that point. But at the minute, we have to pay attention to the charts, and the charts are telling us that this thing is breaking down. Okay, you've got this massive parabolic move, you've come down below the 20, and right now you're turning all this into resistance. So if this does what we all want it to do, this is going to roll, lose its low, and you're going to drag that yellow line over the red line, which is the ultimate signal, because every time we have seen that for the DXY, we have seen a massive move for XRP. Okay, it did it way back there in 2017, which I remember really, really well, and I hope, you know, all the CoinsKid community can just experience something like what I experienced there with XRP. It'd be absolutely amazing. And then this here as well, this was a big move for XRP. Didn't quite go up to where we wanted it to go up, but it was a big move, you know, and the indications were there. The inverse correlations were in the chart. Death cross, parabolic move. Death cross, huge move for XRP. Massive move. So if we drop the XRP chart in right now, go to the top and search for XRP, new price to scale, drop it in, you can clearly see that once we got the death cross, we sort of consolidated in a range, and then we took off as this thing started to bottom out, okay, and then as this thing bottomed out and started to come back up, XRP collapsed basically, and then very similar situation here. You know, we got the corona dump way back there in March. As this thing started to roll, you can see XRP began its little beautiful move up, okay, accompanied with the death cross. We got a massive move here, so we're on the cusp of it. It's not bullshit, it's not hopium, it's not done it yet, so let's not get too excited, but it's a possibility. And if we start to see it in the charts, if we start to see this continual resistance here and the breakdown of the DXY, and you bullish cross, I would expect at some point, I can't pinpoint it to an exact time, but I would expect at some point you're going to see a big move for XRP and the entire crypto space right there. So we're going to keep an eye on that. You know, it's not done it yet, and you know, it could go against us and start to close out above. If it does, then this is all going to be invalidated, and we've just got to sit back and wait, and you know, and just appreciate the opportunity of buying XRP at lower prices, because I think that if we do start to see this breaking out and closing above the 20 EMA, we could begin to see new lows on XRP. Okay, but until we start to see that, we're sort of creeping along with the possibility that XRP has found a bottom and it's going to break out as this starts to break down. So anyway, I'm chatting. Let's dive into the XRP chart right now. So looking at XRP on the hourly time frame, I got this completely wrong the other day. This little channel coming back like this, and this is why you always apply stop losses. Broke out, fell back to support. This is where I actually went long. I was looking for it to come up towards a golden ratio just there, and boom, it broke down. So it's a little bit of a bear trap. It's a potential little bull flag, breaking out, falling back to support, looking to go. And what we did, I put my stop loss on that swing low. It was a very minimal risk trade. I think it was like 0.5% or something that I lost from there all the way down, like 0.44% loss. You know, you take the rough with the smooth. It is what it is. This is why you always apply stop losses. Okay, so we came down like this, we bounced off this neckline just there, and then we eventually retraced to the golden ratio. Let me show you right now, which is where I thought the bull flag would retrace to be honest with you. So from there to there, I was looking at the bull flag coming up to the golden ratio, which is 0.618, 0.408, which was a good area to go short with your stop loss on the wick eye, and boom, we've come down. Okay, so I think we're still in this sort of downtrend at the moment for XRP. You know, we can't escape it. I don't think it's an impulsive move to the downside, to be honest with you. I think that it's corrective at the moment, because what we've got here, in my opinion, is a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4 and a 5. So that could be a correction back up, and this could be a correction back down before another correction back up, which would be bearish, because at that point you would just come up and make a lower high than the high we put in last year, around about September, wasn't it, and this green line, and then boom, you're going to drop again. And all this was, and I've gone through this with you, this was an impulsive wave down, this is a corrective wave back up before dropping again. So that's a bearish scenario, okay, that we're going to come down, find support and come up, take out that high. Everyone gets really bullish, but until we take out that high there's a possibility that this could be a correction back up to where you came from before rolling again. Okay, and that would be devastating obviously, but it would provide us with more opportunity to buy XRP at cheaper prices. Okay, but what we want to see, for me to confirm the bottom right now, is the fact that this is impulsive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is some kind of impulsive wave. Right now we're going through a correction, and we'll see another impulsive wave which takes out that resistance. Okay, we take that out, that for me confirms the bottom, and I've been saying this to you for a very long time. I'm looking for the bottom confirmation. I think that breaking that on the daily, on the hourly, on the 4 hourly, taking it out right now, it really is beginning to say the bottom's in, you know. So we've not got it yet. So in the meantime, we're just trying to trade the chop basically. So I think that what we're going through here is simply a correction. I think we're going through a correction on Bitcoin as well. I think we're slowly but surely here, we've got a left shoulder ahead, right shoulder, turn it into resistance, and we're slowly but surely coming down the stairs. I think, you know, been projecting this head and shoulders as you started to come up here and make this shoulder. So if we take a look at this wick, you're currently roughly 4.25% off that target, 4.7% off this resistance, which has been a target as well, because like I said to you, you melted through the resistance just there without back testing its support. So that was always on my radar. As this was coming up, I said to you, I think that eventually you're going to see a big retracement to that red line. And people saying on the videos and comments, I don't know what I'm talking about, but it's just technical analysis. So all I'm doing is relaying it to you on a daily basis. So it looks as though XRP is sort of rolling towards that target right now. Is it impulsive? I think it's corrective, to be honest with you. This is corrective coming back down, because I think at this point here, if we come down and we hold this support right now, 0.3554, I think we could be looking at a massive move here, a massive move. Whether or not it is still part of, you know, the fact that we're still coming down the stairs and we're looking at new lows or whatever, it's just opportunity, because I think we're looking at a massive move to come back up to take out that high. I think that local high will be broken, and we've just got a massive move here coming for XRP. Now the real key thing, this massive move that's going to come off this correction that we're going through right now, is this going to come up like this and take out this resistance confirming the bottom, or is it going to come up and make a lower high and then roll again? So I don't know, honestly I don't know. We'll see in time, but what we want to see is this come up and take out that resistance. If not, run into it, create a higher low up here and then break it. Something like that would be absolutely amazing as well, because over the longer period of time, which I've shown you, we're carving out a massive ascending triangle under key resistance and support, and slowly but surely making a series of higher lows as well, which is technically bullish. The longer you go seeing that, you know, where you fall back to a high level of support over a longer period of time, you're slowly ascendingly coming up the stairs, and you're accumulating at levels under resistance and support, you know, slowly but surely coming up the stairs before you break that resistance. So, you know, that's key resistance for me right now, 0.5593. See that broken? For me, you're confirming a massive impulsive move, and I think we're looking at $6.30, isn't it, off the lows from June 2022. So that's basically XRP. So for me, I'm still sort of short here, coming back down, thinking, you know, you're running into resistance like this, we're looking for the roll, and I think we're looking for that red line eventually, you know, and it's been a beautiful sort of swing up all the way from air, all the way back down. If we hold this support, and it's a big if as well, we get some kind of reversal pattern down there and we start to come back up, we've got a massive move here, bearish or bullish. Okay, take care, hope you understand that update, stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned, bye bye everyone, back to another update on XRP.